Hi there, students. To waft, a verb, or a waft as a countable noun. Okay, to waft means to float through the air, to move gently and easily through the air, particularly for a smell or a sound. So the sound of violin music wafted across the hills. The smell of her perfume wafted through the room. To move, yeah? To move in a floating way. Okay, and this is the idea of to waft. To gently move through the air. The wind wafted a smell of flowers into the room. Yeah, the sound of the guitar wafted across the houses. Okay, to move. Notice this verb to waft is ergative. That means it can work both ways. A breeze wafted the smell. The smell wafted through the place, so it can go in both directions. Okay, but this verb to waft, to move, smoke wafted across the road. Yeah. Okay, the smell of rotten fish wafted across the marketplace. So to be carried gently in the air. And then a waft, very often a smell of something or the sound of something. I caught a waft of perfume. I caught a waft of smoke. Yeah, I heard a waft of noise in the distance. Okay, so something that's been carried, that's been conveyed. Yeah, and this is the idea of to waft, to move objects, sounds, smells through the air. The petals fell from the tree and were wafted across the garden. Okay. Notice as well, you can actually use this word nautically. A waft is a flag used to signal or to indicate the direction of the wind, but that's a very specific field. Yeah. Okay, so a waft of perfume that is carried through the air. The breeze wafted across the water, rushed, moved. Yeah. Okay. So a wafting motion. She wafted kisses to me across the room. Okay, so you can use it metaphorically as well. A sense of fear slowly wafted through the crowd, moved slowly as if carried by a breeze. Okay, so you can also use this figuratively. Yeah, a drift, a flow, something like that. To flow, to drift. Yes, a breeze wafted the scent of flowers into my nose. Okay, so let's see. As to origin, there are various different suggestions as to origin. It might come from Old English wafetten or wafian, meaning to wave. Or maybe it comes from Middle Dutch wachten, to guard or to provide for. Yeah. Okay, so, and then formality. I think I'm going to give this a 5.5 in formality. You can use it anywhere, ever so slightly literary, but you could use it in a in an informal conversation anywhere. Yeah, a whiff of perfume wafted through the room. I guess you could even say that somebody wafted through the room, moved very lightly as if they were gliding or floating on the air. Yeah, these whirling dervishes seem to waft round and round with nothing to support them, for example. Okay, so enough to waft. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To waft, an ergative verb, both ways, and a waft, a countable noun.